Hello guys, so we will be working on this MacBook Air 2017 which came from a repair shop. The screws are all missing, pretty dusty. So the battery is disconnected and I can clearly see it's liquid damage. Okay, so let's look under the microscope, especially this area here. So this is the LCD area. Do you see the damage here? And here? A little bit here as well. This is intact. And looks like they cleaned it, this area, but they all look intact. This is also backlight area here, and the fuse. Okay. First of all, let's check the fuse. Where is it here? Okay, fuse is blown. Okay. We will not have a display anyway, even if it's turning on. Okay. What else is there? The rest of the things look okay, so we will give it just an isopropyl clean here, huh? Next thing I would like to check, this area is clean, and there's no point to connecting this because we're not gonna get display because fuse is already blown. Just checking if turning on. Battery is not connected, so that's fine. 700 milliamp. And the fan is spinning, so that means system is turning on. Now the only thing I would like to do, because if there is a liquid damage here, I would like to have a look on the display IC on the See what I told you. See, even though it's turning on, can you see? Oh yeah. That was a good decision, right? I see here and here. Okay. Okay, let's check under the microscope. So guys, this looks like how the damage is. You know, it's on multiple places, as you can see. Here as well. So even though we see on the DC power supply the amps was drawing right, it looks like it's turning on, but we never know unless we got the display or not because of the sort of damage. So because it's on multiple places, so I will be doing ultrasonic clean, and so now we will set it to say 10 minutes is okay, 12 is okay, and then 80 degrees centigrade, okay, and then We will put the board first of all this side, one side first. So I don't think we need the bucket here, because I want at least this to go all the way in. So I will remove the bucket as much as you can dip. So we will do the affected side first, and then I will start it. Okay. So now as you can see, it's on 36 degrees. So when it reaches to 80 degrees centigrade, that is where the cavitation will start. Okay, we'll come back. So time to take it out. Okay, do you see? Does it look clean? Yes, readings are same as before. Fan is spins and turns up. Yeah, it's spinning now again. Important thing is the display. Nah, there is no display. We're not getting any display. That's why I did not put everything back. Okay. This is the backlight IC, which looks okay to me. Okay, let's measure the voltage around it. I'm plugging in the charger. What the hell? It's not even turning on now. Okay, look here. Do you see? Do you see the amp is drying? Only 30. 10. It's not even turning on now. Okay. Okay, let's do some measurements. Now it's gone dead. Nothing here. Got 8 volt. Nothing. 3.3 is present. There should be a 5 volt line. No. Only 8 and 3.3. Okay, the only thing I can think of is U7501, which is 5 volt and fly. Okay, let's look under the microscope. Okay. Okay, that's ground pin, that's fine. This one is ground. Just here I'm little bit concerned. This here. Okay. Now the next thing, I would like to apply some power. because sometimes, so this one we know is ground, that's fine, taking 2 amps. This one is okay. This one is taking 190 amp. This one here. Q7520. I would like to check Q7520. So let's check here now. Yeah, that's taking same 170. That's the pin. Okay, mate, I have got no option but to replace Q7501. Okay, now look at the power supply. So see, it's taking no amps now, so that's all good. And this one is okay, but do you see this one is shorted, taking 2 amps. It should be 0. Okay, come back here. This is pin number 32, which is connected Q7520 again. Let's remove this. Okay, now we will come back here again, pin number 30. Do you see? So I think I have to replace these both ICs. All right, let's see. Yep, fan is spinning. Yeah, finally it looks like it's turning on. Now we will put it in the housing here. And hold it here and yep, fan is spinning, processor is warm, and oh, the screen is broken as well. Oh wow. Anyway, board is fixed. We got it working. That's good. Alright. Okay, it's all working fine now. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.